This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, health, or medical advice. What if your most sensitive medical records could be completely secure from hackers while still being instantly accessible to your doctors? What if you could own and control your health data instead of hospitals? Today, we're exploring how blockchain technology is revolutionizing healthcare data security and why it might replace traditional electronic health records entirely. Digital data has exploded across every sector, creating incredible analytical potential alongside serious privacy risks. Healthcare faces this dichotomy more than any other field. Digitization offers life-saving benefits, but creates dangerous vulnerabilities. Common digitization issues include security risks and vulnerabilities, but the biggest concern with electronic health records is patient confidentiality and privacy. Physicians need timely access to patient medical information to minimize errors and improve outcomes, but only if that data stays secure and private. Blockchain technology and blockchain medical records can solve these complex requirements. What is blockchain? Blockchain combines two key technology components. A block is a reliable transaction record secured through cryptography, similar to healthcare's existing data encryption methods. Each block links to all past transactions, creating a chain. Blockchain uses established cryptographic methods, allowing network participants to interact without requiring mutual trust. The main difference between standard databases and blockchain is data organization. Blockchain is a ledger collecting information in groups called blocks that store datasets. No centralized authority exists in blockchain systems. Transaction records are stored, maintained, and distributed across all network participants. Healthcare facilities typically use cloud-based databases for patient records. However, any valuable internet information faces risks like data breaches, hacking, or manipulation, especially when security levels aren't top-notch. Healthcare facilities seek robust solutions to protect privacy and enhance data security. Blockchain-based systems provide reliable solutions to confidentiality and privacy-related medical issues. Blockchain in healthcare today. Medical reports contain individuals' most personal, sensitive details. Patients want this data accessible only to trusted family doctors or physicians. Blockchain's inherent characteristics make it a powerful privacy enabler, providing anonymity in modern health systems. Latest healthcare technology trends like artificial intelligence improve service delivery. Cloud-based programs offer on-demand storage and HIPAA compliance benefits. Blockchain ensures valuable transaction data isn't stored centrally, preventing hacker access or manipulation while enhancing system security. Blockchain technology may replace EHRs. Healthcare providers can use blockchain to safely store patient health records. Once created and signed, medical records are documented into blockchain, giving patients confidence their records can't be changed. A comprehensive blockchain approach lets patients own their health data. Blockchain health records allow crucial information to travel with patients securely. Personal healthcare records can be encoded and stored on blockchain using keys, ensuring only specific individuals access records while promoting anonymity and data privacy. 4 types of blockchain that can store data. Health organizations may share ledgers across private or public networks. Public networks are open to everyone, allowing easy participation anytime. These operate without identity requirements, so users adopt pseudonyms. Bitcoin was the first major public blockchain network. Ethereum is designed for complex decentralized applications and smart contracts. Medical organizations may establish private networks where existing users invite others to transact and interact. Ledger transactions aren't publicly visible. Public blockchain. Public, permissionless blockchain networks allow unrestricted participation, governed by consensus algorithms. These open, decentralized networks are accessible to anyone requesting transaction validation, often using proof of stake or proof of work mechanisms. Private or permission blockchain. Permission blockchains let organizations set specific access controls. Only users with permissions access specific datasets. Oracle Blockchain Platform exemplifies permission blockchain. Private blockchains have access restrictions requiring system administrator permission to join. They're typically governed by single entities, making them centralized. Sidechains. Sidechains run parallel to main blockchains, allowing users to move digital assets between different blockchains while improving scalability and efficiency. Consortium or federated blockchain. These networks have mining or consensus processes controlled by pre-selected stakeholders or node sets. Maintaining anonymity in an EHR blockchain. Independent EHR blockchain protocols guarantee security, anonymity, and privacy by empowering users with data control. Blockchain ensures confidential data can't be recreated without owner permission, keeping medical data safe and untampered. Homomorphic encryption, a blockchain-based security tool, facilitates anonymity through features like small ciphertext and semantic data protection. The application of blockchain in healthcare, potential benefits. Blockchain offers numerous healthcare advantages while maintaining regulatory requirements for protecting sensitive data like PHI. Blockchain technology can introduce transparency and efficiency into the siloed U.S. healthcare industry, allow healthcare providers to share networks without sacrificing data security, privacy, and integrity, manage complete patient record life cycles, streamline medical billing life cycles. Inadequately protected digitized patient records are easy targets for hackers and cybercriminals. Blockchain technology in healthcare promises fail-safe EHR data security on hospital networks. Blockchain's flexible, immutable ledger system enables decentralized dynamic confidential data transfer, maintenance, and storage. Data transparency, security, and decentralization are blockchain's three pillars, making it nearly immune to third-party hacking, data breaches, or unauthorized manipulation. The future of healthcare data is here, and it's built on blockchain. What concerns you most about your medical data privacy? Have you ever worried about who has access to your health records? Share your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear about your experiences with healthcare data security. If this video opened your eyes to blockchain's potential in healthcare, smash that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech content. Share this with anyone in healthcare or IT who needs to understand this technology.